Hey friends, welcome back to We Do It Outdoors. I'm out at one of the lakeside properties that I have, and looks like something a little crazy happened this weekend. The whole road was blocked and we just had to move all this stuff. Oh, but it gets better. Look at that. Completely uprooted. This is nuts. I'm having a lot of high winds. Fell down over there. Landed on the fence. There's some over on the other side of these few trees. That one right there is getting ready to uproot where she's throwing them sticks right there. Damn ground's so wet. All the way to these trees. Nothing holding them. It's done nothing but rain, 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 rain. It's getting ready to rain, 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 rain again. It's supposed to rain, 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 rain for the next 3 days. So that's all it does. Ohio, just a rainforest. It's been declared on the news. Ohio is the new national rainforest. At least southeastern Ohio. It's crazy. Rain, rain, rain all the time. That's all it does. So, anyways, I'm gonna finish cleaning up what we can. I've got to get a hold of. the department that owns this property, and they're gonna have a company come out and remove these. And she's picking up pieces from the roof right now. So I don't know. I don't see a whole lot of damage to the actual house, but it's a good thing this one didn't go that way. That'd have been a mess. Oh, all right, guys. Well, we're gonna finish cleaning up and try to get some mowing done today. Oh, hi guys. I am out at a different place. That lakeside place we did. Whew, buddy. There are a lot of trees down. Picked up as much as we could, moved as much as we could without spending all day out there. They're gonna have to call an actual tree company to come in and remove those and pull the ones out that are starting to uproot. But anyways, I'm out at a different place. Place I picked up last year. I believe the video is called the Swamplands or something, or Mowing the Swamplands. I don't know, but it's true. You can see I can't go. Let's see, right. You can see where I made my pass across. Can't really mow a whole lot. It's wet. It's wet right where I'm at, and it's always wet. It seems to be wet here pretty much all year long until about late July, and then it's dry. I can mow all the way up against all them trees in the back and mow all that, but as of right now, this is all I can mow, is this little teeny tiny bit. And there's about a pass and a half up in the front that I can mow. Yet the rest is just weed eating, so nothing I can do. It won't stop raining. We've been chasing the rain around all day long. It started to rain for about an hour and a half, just a real light drizzle, and but it seems to be pretty clear now. But I don't know. This is the last yard of the day. I'm gonna go ahead and set up the camera, and I'll be in and out of here in about 5 minutes, and probably another 10 minutes weed eating. It's going to take longer to weed eat than it will to mow. She's up front right now weed eating around the house a little bit. So, all right, guys, enjoy. as you can see, it's a mess. And it hasn't been mowed in 2 weeks. I don't know if I can put it off for another week. It'd be out of control. But you can see how tall that is. It's just wet. It's wet here all the time. There's nothing I can do. But just try to get in here when it's as dry as possible, just to get as much as I can, at least, to where up around the house looks, you know, somewhat decent. Because see where the location we're at, it's out. It's not in an actual city limit or anything, but it's a watershed out here. It's a division of the village. It's here, and they will fine you if your grass is too tall around the home. Now, you know, down in there, I mean, there's nothing you can do. I'm not going to sit there and try to weed eat all that. There's no way. Or even trying to drag a push mower, it's so soft. Hell, I'm sinking. So it's not even worth pissing with. Just get it up around the house the best we can without trying to tear it up. It browned it up, but it's not leaving, you know, any ruts or anything like that. It's not tearing the yard up. It looks bad because it's leaving the brown marks, but it's not hurting anything. All right, guys. Well, we're gonna finish up here. I'm gonna help her weed eat so we can get out of here. It's supposed to rain Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, so I don't know when I'll be back out mowing again, because it's supposed to be bad, thunderstorms and everything. And you know, I'll mow in a little bit of rain, but here comes the thunderstorms. I ain't pissing around with no lightning. So all right, guys, don't forget to subscribe for more content. Twitter in the description. Drop a like if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget, keep it grassing.